walk around of my 61 Eldorado Biarritz, one of only 1450 built. Quite unusual, this one, in that it's got bucket seat interior. That's from the factory ordered, denoted by a B on the trim tag. I'm told only around 6% had bucket seats, although I've never found that documented, so I don't know if that's correct or not. Nice straight solid car, doesn't look like it's ever had any welding underneath. Pretty decent on the body, had a few older repairs but nothing terrible. Originally from Chicago and then later New York, went to Sweden in 2017, and then I brought it to the UK in 2019. 61, the last year of the hardback bucket seats, same as in the 59 and 60 Biarritzes. The difference with a 61 being that the right hand bucket is actually powered, which it isn't on 59 and 60s, and also you can see it down here on a 61 you get this heater grill in the centre tunnel there, which you don't get on the 59s and 60s either, which is actually quite neat when you're driving on a cold day with the top down. Nice bit of air blows there, warm air. Interior needs some work. It was due to be done earlier this year, but I ended up using my slot for another car, so it's going to be done later on in the year. It's a nice car. It's engine and transmission freshened up last year in Sweden. It's got new tyres, new exhaust, new brakes, a few other bits and pieces. I've just fitted new door locks. Still a few bits to do, but it's a nice cruiser. Runs and drives really nice. I'm pleased with it. No immediate plans to sell it, which is unusual for me because most of my stuff is always for sale, but I quite like this one, so plan to see it through, but we'll see. You never know, everything's got a price. There it is, quite striking styling on the 61 with a double fin, or skeg as some people call it. It's got 390 engine, 4-speed hydromatics, same as the 59 and 60 really. Again, there's the bucket seats. It's been redone in vinyl. It should obviously be red leather. So the trim code denotes as red leather, which is what we're going to put back in it. Get the dash pad done and the carpet done as well. Paint's older but decent. I probably won't do anything with the paint. A couple of tiny bits down low maybe, but not really. That's it, 1961 Eldorado Biarritz, one of 1450, bucket seat car. Thanks for looking.